Good evening, I'm Alexis Walters. Governor Mike DeWine released more details about Phase 1B of Ohio's COVID vaccine rollout. So here's what we've learned. On Tuesday, January 19th, the vaccines will be made available to those who are 80 years old and older. A week later, vaccinations will be open to those who are 75 and older. The list goes on from there. School staff will be able to start getting vaccinated sometime in February. Now, next Tuesday or Wednesday, we expect to hear from each county health department about how these vaccinations will be done.
Logistical lift of this distribution is unprecedented, determining recipient groups, population amounts, provider types, as well as identifying individuals to administer the vaccine, assessing storage capabilities is important. Handling requirements, awaiting shipment notification and distribution plans from the federal government all have to be worked in.
Now, including teachers and other school administrators in the vaccination is part of Governor DeWine's plan to get schools open for full-time in-person instruction by March 1st. Now, First News reporter Carolyn Sistrand spent the evening talking to a few superintendents about their vaccination plans and how they hope that this can make face-to-face learning a little safer.
The next wave of vaccines are getting ready to roll out.
It was an email that we were really pleased to be able to send.
And next on the list of recipients are teachers and school staffers.
Now, the fact that the governor moved us to 1B just shows you how important a teacher's role is.
Boardman Superintendent Tim Saxton says they had about 30 teachers sign up so far that want to be vaccinated.
I had one teacher sprint down there and said, I want to be the first one.
This happening only an hour after sending out an email about it on Thursday.
Now, you could just see there were smiles on people when they were bringing their forms down when they got this email.
Over in Camel, Superintendent Matthew Bowen says the response from his staff is positive.
We're finding overwhelmingly more staff are choosing to sign up for the vaccine than not.
Hoping that this opportunity for school staff and administrators will get schools back to safe in-person instruction.
The remote learning experience, although it's something that we're utilizing and it's basically a Band-Aid approach to education right now, it's definitely not a long-term solution for many students.
Both superintendents say they're happy that Governor Mike DeWine is prioritizing education.
Many students need to be here. They need to be engaged with their peers. They need to be engaged with our staff.
Teachers and school staff will begin receiving vaccinations as soon as February 1st. Vaccine distribution for the schools is being handled by Mahoning County Public Health. Carolyn Sistrand, WKBN 27 First News.